Тя не работи оборотомера ли?
Не работи, защото много майстори.
Guys, I just were in this E30. It's my mechanic's E30 and it has S54 engine from E46, and it's actually so brutal. The brakes are from S3, and as you saw, I've been ridden by him. This car is really amazing. It has a remap, so it's around 370 horsepower, not 343 as it was stock. I was going to drive it actually, but there was some fault on the pedal, and actually it stopped working, and you cannot give throttle now with a pedal. It only works with a clutch and on idle. So the mechanic will fix it, and if he don't sell it, I'll manage to drive it again. Yes, I hope I'll have that chance. But I'm happy too that I have been ridden in such car, because it's just amazing. It has been tuned by TST Racing, it has been remapped by TST Racing, and it's just really awesome, because the car is really wide, maybe 1.2 ton, and you feel really the kick, especially with this remap at 3.5k. It just go really crazy, and if you're an experienced driver, you can really crash somewhere, because it's really dangerous when it starts throwing its back end on all possible direction, and you have to fix it with steering. It's really an amazing car, and I'm glad I had a chance to ride in that car. I couldn't drive it, however, I'm sorry for that. Hope I'll have a chance. So stay healthy, stay subscribe to our channel, put the notification on, and if I had a chance, I would drive it someday, guys, and I hope you will be here to see it. So subscribe. Thanks, guys. I am leaving now with a smile on my face. No matter I am with the Suzuki, which is also a cool car, but it just cannot compete with this small little E30, which give everything it can with this beautiful engine. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.